Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the second segment now of today's Iqra with Iqra. Alhamdulillah. First segment we had, who did we have? We had Yusha, and we also had Maisha from Walthamstow, and they both read very, very well. Because look, the most important thing here is to be able to read a word and be able to recognize and then be able to take in and digest, then be able to explain that particular, or those rules in that word. Okay, so that's important. And when you pronounce that, what you have in mind and what you understand and what you recognize, the sound has to be applied. That rule has to be applied. The application has to be made properly. So that's what we are targeting, and that's what tajweed is about. You know, it's repetition. It's going over and over and over again. It's finding. It's making sure those rules are glowing before your eyes. It's making sure that you are not making any major or any minor mistakes, preventing yourselves from making any such mistakes whatsoever. So that's what we are trying to do and achieve. And I hope that all of you, every single person watching Iqra with Iqra, you know, you tell your friends and family, you tell as many people as you can, because the more people you tell, the more people learn, the more people learn, the more reward we get. Okay? That's the main idea here, is to get as much hasanat as we possibly can. You know, and this is something that all of us need. We need to get as much hasanat as we can, get as much reward as we can. And the more people we tell, the more people learn, the more people learn, the more people read correctly and perfectly, inshallah, with the right intention. And all that happened because you went and told someone, hey, why don't you watch Iqra with Iqra, the show, and learn and better your Quran and learn tajweed, etc. That's as simple as it is. So, going on next week, like I explained, this week is running like the previous few months, where we have exercised anyone and everyone calling in these during the times of Iqra with Iqra and reading from Qaida or Quran. It doesn't matter where you want to read from, any of these two areas. More than happy to take your calls in this. Now, what I want you to remember is going forward, next week, these days are still open for everyone. Remember that. Anyone and everyone can call. Mixability is the way forward. But Mondays, we are dedicating Mondays to collective Qaida learning. So everyone will be in the same sabak. Everyone will be in the same sabak. Okay? That's Mondays. Last day of the week, Fridays, we are dedicating to Khatm al-Quran, a collective Khatm al-Quran on Fridays. And whereas in the last decade, we did our Khatm al-Quran on Thursdays, but that's changed to Fridays. So starting of the week will be Qaida, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha until the end. And last day of the week, Fridays, will be Khatm al-Quran, looking inside and making collective Khatam completion together. Now, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays will run the way we are running at the moment. Qaida and Quran, QMQ, Quran, memorization, Qaida, memorization, Quran. Okay, so all three, anyone can call, everyone can call. Mondays, anyone can call, everyone can call. Now, I'm assuming on Khatm al-Quran, people, anyone can call, subject to you able to read Quran. Even if it's a couple of lines, it doesn't matter. To build the fluency, to build the speed, as long as you are fully aware of the rules of tajweed, because Friday is more or less about that. But the door's open for anyone. Okay, so Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, we want to continue our QMQ, Qaida, memorization, Quran, inshallah. I am pushing for people to memorize as much as they possibly can. And in the last segments of each day, we will have an Islamic study day, and you will see what we have. It's very exciting indeed. I'm excited, and there's a lot on the table that we want to do. Like for example, today is Tuesday, for example. So Tuesdays, the first segment and the second segment will be our Qaida memorization Quran QMQ, and the last segment will be an Islamic study day, but it will be taught in a way that people can remember what is being taught. And I don't want you to forget, right? For example, you will find out. And similar will be for Wednesdays. First two segments will be our QMQ, and then the last segment will be our Islamic study segment, and Thursday will be the same. But there's a lot coming your way, and it will be very exciting, believe in me. And during the course of the year, course of the months, course of the week, what we will be doing and including and incorporating other ideas as and when. I don't know when, but as and when, that will surely happen. Okay? And of course, I've got really good ideas and surprises for Monday's last segment and Friday's last segment. So a lot to learn, guys. I really want you all to tell as many friends as you possibly can, as many cousins as you possibly can, family members as you possibly can. The more people you get on board, the more we learn. The more people call in, the more people benefit, inshallah. Let's go to our callers now. If we have any callers, do you have any callers? Yes, we do. And let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome.
Haroon. How are you, Haroon?
Good.
What are you going to read? Where's your sabak, Haroon?
Kuzra.
Huh?
Kuzra.
Which page is it?
Page number 13.
13. Lesson number 3, page 13. Okay. It's a kasra section, right?
Yep.
The line at the bottom is called? Kasra. And the rule for kasra is short sound. Am I right?
Yeah.
Carry on. Let me hear the reading, my man, Haroon. Haroon.
B. C. E. E. D. D. V. R. C. C. D. C. D. C. C. E. V. V. E. T. Li. Me. Me. We. He. Ye. Ye. E. That's it.
Okay, lovely. That was very, very good. I want you to practice more and give me a call tomorrow, okay?
Zara पढ़ना है Zara
Zara को दीजिए.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, Zara. How are you doing? How are you, Zara?
Fine.
What's your page?
Lesson 22, third line.
Excellent. Put the TV volume off, please, Zara.
Okay.
Lesson 22, third line. Okay. It's the Mim Sakin rules, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you're ready. 22. It's the third line. Inna rabbahum. Yahan se hai na?
Uh-huh.
Haan ji, when you're ready.
Inna rabbihum bihim tarmihim bihijaratin wa ma hum bimu'minina fabashirhum bi'azabin.
Okay.
That's it.
Excellent. Very good. MashaAllah. No, Zara, Mariam, you also did so well. Keep it up. And both of you practice and make sure you call me every single day. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Every single?
Day.
Yes. Jazakallah, thank you so much. And I'll speak to you soon. Khuda Hafiz. Okay, let's go to our next caller now. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Who's calling?
Maisha.
Maisha, how are you doing?
Are you ready? Good, but I want to read a surah.
Huh?
Are you ready? Good, but I want to read a surah.
Okay, read the surah when you're ready.
Okay.
Off by heart?
Yeah.
Okay, which surah?
Surah Adiyat.
Okay, Adiyat. Start, please.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
No, not Raha. Don't say Bismillahir Raha. It's Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Again.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, say with Muhammad and get Rahmanir Rahim absolutely correct, okay?
Okay.
Carry on.
والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بؤثر ما في القبور. السلام عليكم.
وحصل. Do you not know anymore?
No.
Okay, then learn the rest and give me a call tomorrow. We'll listen to it again.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Well, salam. Thank you so much. Well, that was good. Try by her. Why doesn't this? I don't understand why this happens. Okay, let's go to the next caller. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Is that Zainab?
Yeah.
What are you going to read, Zainab?
I'm going to finish lesson 2.
Lesson 2. From which page is on lesson 2? Lesson 2 from the top?
No, from the 4th part.
So, is that page 9, Noon Kha?
Yeah.
Okay, Noon Kha, please. 4th slide, yeah? But
Okay.
all you have to do, have you got the qaida?
No.
Oh, you need to get the qaida in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you ordered the other Islamic study books?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to get the qaida then, all right? You done it, you should have ordered the qaida when you ordered the other books.
Okay.
Never mind. It's on the screen when you're ready.
Noon. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Noon ha ya ha ba jim ba mim ya mim noon mim ta mim ta ya noon ya ta ya.
Next slide.
Saya noon ba lam ta noon lam ba ya lam ya ta lam sa lam noon ba noon ta ya noon ya ta noon sa noon na noon ya noon.
Okay.
Jim ha ho sa ho ba ja jim ta ha ta ya
Ya Jim.
oh yeah ya jim ba od ha ba ho ta ha ba ka ya ha ta ha ya ha ba ha alif ba ha mim
Okay. Next slide.
azal roza dindal hodel oze yero tana tanun mim dal afzal saro mimza sin film soldat dot sin lam sodba soba dod alif sin ra sin qaf dod ya dod alif
The alif.
oh da alif
Next slide.
ein ghain a
Hamza. Ain, Ghain, Hamza.
ein ghain hamza ein za ghain ra صاد عين ضاد عين
Dad, Ghain.
عين باء عين دال عين دال همزة واو
Hamza, Hamza, Hamza.
همزة
Okay, not bad. Thank you so much. And we will do the next side. All you need to remember, because you don't have the book, when you call me, say page 11, okay?
okay
So write down, say page 11, lesson 2.
oh Safia is gonna read
Okay, lovely. Thank you, Zainab.
Safia is gonna read today
Okay, give it to Safiya.
Jazakallah
Wa iyaka.
Assalamu
Al-salam, Safiya. Where are you going to read from?
Naziat
Naziyat. Off by heart, yeah?
yeah
Okay, Naziyat off by heart. When you're ready, let me hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والنازيات غرقا والناشطات نشطا والسابحات سبحا فالسابقات سبقا فالمدبرات أمرا يوم ترجف
الراجفة.
يوم ترجف
ترجف الراجفة.
ترجف الراجفة تتبعها الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة أبصارها خاشعة يقولون إنا لمردودون في الحافرة أإذا كنا عظاما ناخرة يقولون قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم بالساهرة هل أتاك حديث موسى إذ ناداه ربه بالواد المقدس طوى اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى فأراه الآيات الكبرى فكذب وعصى ثم أدبر يسعى فحشر فنادى فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها رفع سمكها فسواها وأغطش ليلها دهاها والأرض بعد ذلك دهاها أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها والجبال أرساها متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى فأما من طغى وآثر الحياة الدنيا فإن الجحيم هي المأوى وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى فإن الجنة هي المأوى يسألونك عن الساعة أيان مرساها فيما أنت من ذكراها إلى ربك منتهاها إنما أنت مذر من يخشاها كأنهم اليوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها.
Excellent, lovely. Thank you so much, Safiya.
جزاك الله.
Wayak, thank you. Very well read by Safiya and Zainab from London. Next caller, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Who is calling?
Hashir.
Hashir, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Where are you going to read from?
Lesson 17, the second line.
Lesson 17, the second line. Okay then. So you're going to do Ijra, aren't you?
Yeah.
Or Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me all the names of the signs and their rules. Start.
Okay. Ba has a kasra underneath it, short sound. Seen has a jazm on top of it, so it will be joined with the ba. Mim has a kasra underneath it, short sound. The dal has a standing foot on. The dal.
Is it Dal?
The lam has a standing foot on top of it.
So I just want you to say the name of Allah. Bismillah, it is the name of Allah, isn't it?
Yeah.
So just say the name of Allah is going to be?
Bismillah.
No, the name of Allah, will it be full mouth or empty mouth? The name of Allah, will it be, huh?
Empty mouth.
Empty mouth, why? Because Allah's got the name of Allah has kasra before it. Bismillah, it has kasra before it, yeah?
Yeah.
The rule of the name of Allah is what? When the name of Allah has a fatha or dhamma before it, the name of Allah is full mouth, yeah?
Yeah.
And when the name of Allah has a kasra before it,
It's empty mouth.
right, so Bismillah, the name of Allah here is going to be empty mouth. Got it? And of course it's going to be long because it's got a standing fatha on top of the lam, isn't it? Like you said.
Yeah.
Carry on.
The dal has a standing foot on
Where's
top of it.
where's the dal?
The lamb has a standing foot on top of it, so it'll be one little longer, and it has the shadid on it, so it'll be joined with the bead.
Yeah, the rule for tashdid is double letter, double sound, yeah?
Yeah.
Double letter, double sound. Carry on. Ar-Rahman, come to Ar-Rahman.
The ha has a kasra underneath it, short sound. The ra has a stand. The ra will be haruf shamsi because alif lam before is silent, and
So ra is what?
haruf shamsi.
Shamsi, why? Because the lam is
Because
silent.
alif lam, yeah. And it also has a tasdeed on it, which means it will be joined with the ha.
Good.
The ha has a jazm on top of it, so it'll be joined with the ra. The mim has a standing fatha on top of it, so it'll be one alif longer. The noon has a kasra underneath it, so it's short sound.
Okay, that's it. That's your time's up. Very, very well. That was excellent, Hashir. I'm happy. Is Abiha or Hussein going to read? Huh?
Hussein.
Hussein, give it to Hussein.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Al-Salam Hussein. Hashir did very well, mashallah.
Oh,
Now you continue from Ar-Rahim.
okay.
But one thing you forgot to mention, in Ar-Rahman, the Ra is full mouth because it's got Fatha on top, yeah?
Yeah.
Carry on.
Okay. In Ar-Rahim, the Ra will be Huruf al-Shamsi because the lam before it is silent. The Ra will be full mouth because it has Fatha on top of it. And it has a tasdeed on it, so it will be joined with the Noon, double letter, double sound. And then there's Ya Madda. And I know it's Ya Madda because Ha before it has a Qasra. And the Ha has a Qasra, so it will be short sound.
No,
and then
no, the Ha's going to be long, isn't it?
The Ha is going to be long.
Because of the Alif Madda, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because and then the Meme has a Qasra, and so it will be short sound.
Okay, next slide.
The Lam has a Jazm on it, so it will be joined with the Alif. And the Alif has, and the Ha, and the Meme has a Jazm on it, so the Ha will be joined with it. The Dal has a Dhamma on it, so it will be short sound. And the of Allah has a Dhamma before it, so it will be full mouth. It also has a tasdeed on it, so it will be joined with the Dal, and it has a standing Fatha on it.
Okay, okay, Hussein. Alhamdu, you forgot the Meme Sakin is Har.
Oh,
Can you see it?
yeah.
Alhamdu, after the Ha, there's Meme Sakin, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
After Meme Sakin, there's no Ba or Meme, therefore it's Izhar. There's no Ghunna, right?
Okay.
And Lillah, the name of Allah is going to be heavy mouth or empty mouth.
Empty mouth.
Why?
Because it has a Qasra underneath
All right,
it.
okay. And it's going to be long because of standing Fatha Tashdid, right?
Yeah.
Carry on.
The Ha has a Qasra, so it will be short sound. The Ba has a Tasdeed on it, so the Ra will be joined with it. The Ra will be full mouth. And the Ba has a Qasra, so it will be short sound. And the Ain will be Haruf Qamari because the lamb before it is red.
And the alif is silent. Always remember the alif is silent. Yeah, it drops.
Yeah, and the alif is silent.
Yeah.
And the lamb has a jazm on it, so ba will be joined with it. The ain has a standing fatha, so it will be one alif longer. The lam has a fatha, so it will be short sound. The meme has a qasra, so it will be short sound. And the ya madda, because the meme before it has a qasra. And then the noon has a fatha, so it will be short sound.
Okay, so the meme's going to be long because of the ya madda, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Rabbil Alameen. Okay, what about Iyaka? You might as well finish with Iyaka.
Okay, Ya has the Ya has a tasdeed on it, so alif will be joined with it, and the alif and the Ya also has a fatha on it, so it will be short sound, and then the qaf has a fatha on it, so it will be short sound.
Okay, Iyaka, yeah?
Yes.
Very good. Is Abiha going to read?
Yes.
Give it to Abiha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Al-Salam, Abiha. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Not bad. Abiha, you're going to read after the break. Is that okay?
Okay.
You will get your 4 minutes, inshallah, and you're going to have a look at the fourth line. Na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in qul huwa. If you can finish that line in 4 minutes, that will be excellent. That's your ijra. Hashir did very, very well. I'm really happy with Hashir. Hussein obviously did very well, and I'm expecting you to do very good, inshallah, too. Okay, so after the break, everyone, join me and don't go anywhere. Keep calling. Assalamu alaikum.